Today, I'll show you how to add a date in Microsoft Loop. This is a simple but really useful skill that helps you keep your pages organized, track deadlines, and make your content easier for others to follow. Even though it only takes a few clicks, knowing exactly where to look and what to do will save you time and help your pages feel a lot more structured. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll want to open a Loop page. This can be an existing page you're already working on or a brand new one you've just created. Make sure you're actually inside the page editor where you can type and add components, not just looking at a list of pages. Once you're in that editing area and you see your cursor blinking, you're ready for the next part. Now, to insert a date, you'll use a quick shortcut. Click where you want the date to appear in your text. This might be at the top of a meeting note, next to a task, or in a section where you track milestones. With your cursor in the right place, start typing a / followed by the word date. As soon as you type /date, Loop will open a small menu or suggestion box that recognizes what you're trying to do. If you prefer not to type the command, you can also use the menu that appears when you type just the /. When you press the / key, Loop shows you a list of options and components you can insert. In that menu, look for the option labeled Date. You might see other items there as well, but you want to either click on Date with your mouse or use the arrow keys and press Enter to select it. Both methods, typing March date or choosing date from the menu, do the same thing. Once you've selected the date option, a small calendar will appear. This calendar lets you choose the exact day you want to insert. Take a moment to navigate through it. You can click the arrows to move between months if you need a date that isn't in the current month. Then simply click on the specific day you want. You might choose today's date for notes you're taking right now, a future date for a deadline, or a past date if you're documenting something that already happened. As soon as you click on a day in the calendar, Loop will insert that date directly into your page right where your cursor was. You'll see it appear as formatted text, usually in a way that stands out slightly from the rest of your writing. From here, you can keep typing around it, add more details, or move on with your document. If you change your mind, you can always delete it like regular text and insert a new date. That's all there is to it. By opening a Loop page, using the #date command or the menu option, picking the date from the calendar, and letting Loop place it into your content, you can quickly timestamp your work and keep everything clear and organized for yourself and anyone you're collaborating with.